Your Pacifica hybrid says Service Hybrid System and suddenly shuts down. You're told a software update is the fix. So how does software fix a physical wiring problem? It doesn't. The software just changes how the van reacts to the problem. The recall, number 03A, is for 2017 to 2023 Pacifica plug-in hybrids. The issue is with the Power Inverter Module, or PIM. Think of the PIM as the brain of the hybrid system. It would see a tiny, harmless voltage flicker from a connector in the transmission wiring and trigger a full safety shutdown, putting you in neutral. The software update does two things. First, it makes the PIM less sensitive, so it ignores those minor flickers that aren't a real threat. This prevents a false shutdown. Second, if it detects a genuine, serious short circuit, the new software gives you a clear warning on the dash before it shuts off the engine. This gives you time to safely pull over, which is the main safety goal of the recall.